Hello class, this is Professor Lambert, and this is just a quick overview of how to do logistic regression in SPSS. So this is our Titanic data set from class today, and again with logistic regression you have a binary outcome, or also known as categorical, with two groups, and we'd like to assess the relationship or the association between the predictor variables, the covariates, if you will, and the outcome of interest, which is survive. So what we'd like to get is to know, are these factors, are these variables associated with surviving or not surviving? All right, here, and remember, SPSS always treats 1 as the group that you are trying to predict and 0 as the reference group. All right, so to do logistic regression in SPSS, we're going to go to Analyze and Regression, and then Binary Logistic. You can see I have my dependent variable already in here, which is going to be my binary variable, my outcome, and then a couple of predictors, age and p-class. Under categorical, I want to make sure that I have p-class selected, and make sure that I go to simple and hit change and continue. I want to go to options, select classification plots, Homer-Lemshow, confidence interval, and under save, I'm also going to save probabilities, group membership, cooks, and student dies. The student dies are going to be good for checking residuals. The influence is going to let us know whether or not certain observations are influencing the regression or not. This is important because if certain observations are influencing too much, then that could mean that they are outliers. We should check them. And then with the predicted values, we want to know what are the estimated or predicted probabilities that come from the logistic regression. Group membership is basically going to be associated with, if the probability is greater, the predicted probability is greater than 0.5, then we will say that we estimate them to be survived, and if it's less than 0.5, it will be, we predict that they will be a 0. That has to do with model fit as well. So we can check group membership, estimated group membership, against what was the actual group membership. Okay, so I'm going to click OK now after I've done all that. And you can see I get all my Spss output. And the variables and equation table here is the most important one. Okay. I also get some basic descriptive information. So for instance here, if I look at class 2, my reference group is class 3. And so for those that were in class 2, if I look at the exponentiation of the beta, I get the odds ratio, which says that for those that were in class 2, they had 2.9 times the odds of surviving than those that were in class 1. And this is the confidence interval and the p-value. Thanks.